Hi everybody, today we would like to demonstrate how you can unblock a number on your iPhone 14 series device. So first of all, you gotta launch Settings, then scroll the page down for a little bit and enter the phone category. In here, scroll the page down again and go for the blocked contacts section. Next, choose what particular contact or phone number you would like to unblock, and then swipe it to the left. After that, tap on the unblock button, and that will be it. As soon as the phone number or contact disappears from the list, it basically means that you have essentially unblocked the phone number. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.